best worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real. Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me.
Yeah, babe finally put up my greenhouse for me, and I'm opening it because in the daytime it gets a little bit too hot in there. So I'm rolling it so my babies can get some air. I come out every morning and check up on my babies. And if you want to see the video where I amended the soil and started this year's garden, click on the video in the top right corner and you'll see it there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jackie Nicole. I'm a mother of 5, entrepreneur, so I'm a mompreneur. On this channel, you'll find lifestyle, beauty, fashion, fitness. I promote making mothering easier so you can enjoy what's most important in life, like living. Yes, that's the message. Okay, so today, this is the first official day of spring break for the boys, and I'm going to carry on with my routine because if I follow along with them and, you know, sleep in and everything, I'm going to get off track and then it's going to be chaos or whatever. So I keep on with my routine or whatever. Although today I got up an hour later because I didn't have to make their lunches and everything for school. So I just got finished, you know, doing my workout, and today was arms. So I'm in the kitchen now and get ready to fix me some breakfast. I think I'm going to go with one of my go-tos because I don't have a lot of time and I want to keep everything going, so I'm going to do some oatmeal, and my other go-to is avocado toast, which y'all have seen that in plenty of my videos. But I'm going to go with some oatmeal, regular half cup of oatmeal with some almond milk and sweeten it with agave. I'm telling you what I'm putting in next. I'm also on a fitness journey to get a 6-pack. I'm going to get my 6-pack. So I keep you up to date to what I'm doing to get there or whatnot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my breakfast so I can get along about my day, and then I'll check back in with y'all later. Okay, I made my oatmeal, and I didn't put the agave in it. I put half a pack of a meal replacement / protein pack in here, and actually it's a bit sweet, although it's not man-made sugar, so it's real good. Nice and creamy too. But I'm finishing that and finishing up my little swig of coffee I have, because some mornings I just need a boost. And I guess knowing that, okay, I was the only one getting up, it had me like, girl, go get the coffee. Because coffee doesn't really agree with my stomach. Because every time, I know I'm going to be in the bathroom later on, probably in about 20 minutes. But hey, we got to do what we got to do. The boys are getting up because they had a boys' night. I told them that they used to do random boys' nights, but I told them they couldn't do them no more. You have to get my approval, and that's only when everybody has good grades. And I will provide a pizza and whatnot and snacks. So that's what they did last night. I got them pizza from Pizza Hut, cheese pizza, and they got some more snacks or whatever that their sister brought them when she came home from work, and they did their boys' night last night. While me and Bae spent some time and watched a movie, The Accountant. If you haven't seen it, it's a really good movie. But yeah. It seems like the more I eat, the more it multiplies. I think I'm gonna go back to doing my overnight oats. It's much quicker, and I like it much more. Y'all, I'm smiling because they have no clue that someone special is flying in today. Y'all, I pretty much edited, I edited a whole video so I can go ahead and get it scheduled for Wednesday. So I can spend time with my stinker pink. My grandbaby is coming. My glam baby. I'm going to pick him up from the airport right now. So I've pretty much been getting a lot of my editing out of the way, so I can go and so I can cook and feed my munchkins, because they don't even know he coming. I snuck off. They ain't even asked where I was going because they were sitting down eating. And when they eating, boy, shit. But I just left, so it's gonna take me about 25-30 minutes to get to the airport, providing the traffic is not horrible. I ain't seen my baby in almost 10 months. I saw him last June. He came, and I had him for the summer. As y'all can see, I still got on workout clothes. I've been bouncing around all day excited. Hi! Well, thanks for watching. Y'all already know this is the end of my recording for today because I am enjoying my little Fruit Loop. So see you on the next one, and live. That's the message.